How to activate H&M gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily activate your H&M gift card online. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to head over to your preferred browser and then you can search in H&M as I've done so on the screen, and then you'll get the link there. You can see H&M, or you can head into www.hm.com and you'll be headed to this page where you'll have to log into your account first. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the hamburger icon that you can see, or the three horizontal line icon at the left hand side of the screen. And once you tap on it, here you should be able to see the option at the left hand side, again the customer service there towards the bottom. You can see customer service here. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on customer service, there's another page to load up. Now here what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to look into the option here. You can see four different options. You want to tap on gift card option. Once you tap on gift card there, it will take you to another page where now you'll get three different options, and you want to select the option that says activate or reload. Once you tap on activate or reload, another page will load up where it will ask you to enter in your gift card number, the 16-digit pin number, and the gift card pin, and you'll have to enter it and tap on continue, and your card will be activated. So this way you can activate H&M gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.